Want a professional logo but don't have hours to spend on design? Here are the top 5 AI logo generators that can create stunning logos in minutes. Tune to find the perfect tool for your brand. Number 1. LookOver. LookOver combines AI with brand building tools. Just input your brand name, choose a few styles, and let LookOver's AI craft logos tailored just for you. Great for quick, unique designs. Next, we have Wix Logo Maker. Known for its website builder, Wix also offers a robust logo maker. It asks you a few questions and instantly generates personalized logos, which you can further customize. Perfect if you want full control. Number 3. Canva. Canva offers an AI logo maker with a massive library of templates, icons, and fonts. Plus, you get to edit everything for that perfect fit, so it's ideal for those who want something truly unique. 4th, Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands is super easy to use. Its AI asks a few questions, and boom, you've got a sleek, professional logo ready to go. Perfect for small businesses or personal brands. There you have it. The top 5 AI logo generators to kickstart your brand's identity. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips.